Well, Joni, here we go again. We're at Cherry Hill this time, and the water is in the background. And take her away there, Goldie.
Wine is always good.
Cheers.
I'm Joan.
Yeah, I'm Harry.
Yes, in this video, we will show you how to make a typical Sicilian soup in a typical stone cottage on Mount Etna with our friends Loredana and Orazio. This is our last lunch with them before heading to Canada for the rest of the summer.
That is correct, Mondo. So this time, normally we go and get all our fish and everything from Azario, our fishmonger, but he didn't have. We want to make a particular fish soup, and he didn't have that type of fish. They're very careful about what you can get. So anyway, he sent us next door to Orazio's other friend,
Giovanni.
Giovanni.
Yeah.
And Giovanni. And so anyway, Joan, what is the cooking? This is also going to be cooking with Harry and Loredana.
Cooking with Harry and Loredana.
Yeah. And what is the typical fish soup?
The typical Sicilian fish soup, most famously known as zuppa di pesce alla siciliana, or ghiotta di pesce, traditionally relies on a mix of bony rockfish for flavor, firm whitefish for texture, and local shellfish.
Correct.
Because it's really started out as a humble fisherman's stew,
Yes.
they make it according to what the catch is. So it
The cheap catches that they probably couldn't sell it very much, so it was always the cheap fish that they would get. So that same thing today. These fish are much cheaper than the very expensive ones like tuna and stuff like that. So yeah,
but it's so good. But it follows a specific structural blueprint, which
That's
you can
correct.
vary.
Yes.
And here we are varying it a little bit.
It's varied according to what you get that day.
Yeah. And to your style and Loredana's style.
Yes.
And like Orazio says, it's like a Canadian cuisine mixed with Sicilian style. So
With Sicilian perfection.
right.
And what did we have in here? We had red mullet, and we had a few other things, right?
Well, okay, the number one is the flavor-based fish. It's
Yes.
a rock fish.
Yes.
So it's got a lot of bony structure. And
Right.
like it looks pretty crazy. These are the bony small fish that are crucial for creating the rich, deep, savory broth.
Yes.
And it's simmered gently together, and they're
It's like a scorpion fish. It's like a sea robin fish. It's like a red mullet. But anyway, one of the big key things is the meaty, chunky fish. And and those flavors break down. Like you don't want the fish to be like in tiny little pieces when you eat it in the soup. So that's why you get the nice chunky.
keeps its body.
Yeah, fish. Okay.
Yeah.
And we also use a shellfish and
Like
what they call cephalopods.
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 But they're like they're.
But in this case, we used them to. I made the shrimp heads and some of the fish heads, not the ones we bought today, but older ones that we had, and I made a what do you call it? A sauce.
A broth.
A broth, a fish broth, but hot, because Orazio and me like it hot. And then I also made
Spicy.
spicy.
Yeah.
I'm talking spicy hot.
Yeah.
Also, we made another one, which was a veggie sauce, more like a chicken veggie.
With onions.
Yeah,
and like
exactly.
mild, like a milder toned down.
Because
sauce.
Loredana,
She likes-
right now, she can't eat spicy. She likes it, but she can't eat spicy onions. So anyway, so that's what we did this time. So.
But you can use, like we used a beautiful scampi. Prawn scampi or a shrimp scampi.
Yeah.
And you can use, that's what we used for a
Yes.
side dish.
That's right. The other thing we did, we did the scampis, which is a style of a shrimp, but they look almost like little lobsters.
They look like
And then the fresh red shrimp, you can just eat them raw.
Ooh,
and
Loredana loves them.
yeah, and we fried them. I fried them up a little bit in olive oil and a little bit of garlic, and then on top of what was that beautiful? What was this? The salad that we used?
It was the
What was that? Rocks? No,
musclin.
Musclin.
I think it's like
Oh.
a musclin, a French musclin, or
fantastic.
Sicilian musclin.
So stick with us.
And we also have a secret ingredient.
Oh yes, we went to the Aeolian Islands, right?
Yeah.
What was this one we went to this time?
It's just north of Sicily,
Yeah.
and there's 5 Aeolian Islands.
Which
and
one did
we
we-
went to Volcano.
Volcano.
It's called Volcano.
So we went to this fish market out to whatever, and what was it? A winery? I can't remember. But anyway, there they had them growing the capers.
The capers.
Capers.
Yeah.
And so explain what makes a caper, and then I'll explain how the berry works.
Okay. They're called cocunci in Sicilian, and that means like it is a caper berry. So it's the normal capers. They're intense in aroma, and they're the unopened flower buds of the bush.
And they're about this. They're about this long.
No, those are the cocunci.
Well, those are
The
concunchi.
capers are the buds.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Capers are the bunch.
They're harvested by hand
Yeah.
and early in the morning, and traditionally they're dry salted, and
Yeah.
you can buy them all over
Yeah.
the world in a little bottle.
But the best
they're-
ones come from the Aeolian Islands.
Yes,
Oh,
that's where they're
Yes.
basically all from.
but then, the berries, they're about this long. I love them even more than the other
Yeah,
capers.
I know. You can
They're called cocunchi.
cocunci.
Yeah, and all it means is that it goes into a flour, and then what's left over, it's actually about this long. and-
elongated.
yeah, it's like
Yeah.
like my finger,
Yeah.
little finger, or Jones' little finger. But anyway, and they are then also put into brine like salt and stuff like that.
Yeah, so
Oh.
they're salted, pickled or salted, and eaten. You can
But anyway.
rinse them off and eat them. But they are crucial for that soup.
But if you watch the video and find out, and you want to see what a real fish soup is, I'm telling you, it'll be worth your visit.
Yeah, lots of fun.
Ciao.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ciao. Enjoy.
Enjoy. Your friend Giovanni?
But this one is for a special Sicilian soup. We should call all of that. Should we clean it?
Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes. Wow. It's too bad we can't get these in Razzo.
Which one?
These here. The confish. Oh, they'd be good. No? But next time. Everybody has tuna. So this is swordfish. Wow. Why is that tuna? Wow. Oh, that is sushi grade tuna right there. Ciao. Our fish outside is all soup fish. Some scampies, you name it. Ciao. Oh wow. It's all this is the fish, Joan, we're gonna put inside our soup. Look fantastic, no? Oh, fantastic. did this is one broth made from shrimp heads. That broth right there. Now I'm just going to brown the fish that we bought for making this soup. And there is another. This is more of a, I would say chicken vegetable and a lot of onion broth. So we're going to have two types. And, yeah, these are just browning nicely. Now once they're browned, these particular ones are going to go into this broth right here. Oh, baby, man. The smell of the Ionian Sea is fantastic. Our last fish meal of, we're leaving Wednesday, today is Monday, and Loredana and Orazio are coming over. Just, baby. Wow. Oh, baby. Okay. Oh. Now these fish, that's going to go into the soup. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Oh.
Amico?
He said he came to get you. Are you coming to help me?
Per cucinare con Herife.
You're coming to help me, no?
Yes.
Oh, beautiful. Wow.
Molto chic.
Molto chic.
In cucina con Harry.
Perfecto.
Buongiorno.
This is our last big Ionian seafood lunch with Loredana and Orazio. Now, what we're doing, what I did, I was going to explain what I did this morning, Loredana. Okay?
Well, I want to say something.
Okay.
He's trying to make a Canadian Sicilian soup,
Okay.
which will be the best of Canadian cuisine and Sicilian flavor.
I have both.
Did I say right?
Yes, I have both.
Very good fish.
Okay, very good fish.
Fantastic.
Yes, perfect. Okay, now this morning I did these heads, shrimp heads,
Teste di gambero.
in this sauce over here.
Lower the flame.
Molto piccante. Very hot.
Now,
Like
now
spicy?
this goes.
Spicy.
Now this goes back into here. I browned them a little. I browned all the fish just a little bit. Okay.
Oggi se non muore lavoro nel
And then I put the fish in there. See that, John?
Yeah.
Look.
Yes.
Nice.
Perfettissimo.
Okay.
Very good.
So now.
Abbiamo messo i come si chiamano i cosi che abbiamo come la vulcano?
This one is for Orazio and me.
Cucunci.
This I'm going to put away. Okay.
Cucunci di vulcano delle isole
Harry, a
Orme.
question. Why you didn't use this?
I am using that. This is the hot sauce for you and me.
Okay.
For
Now.
you and I, ma
Now.
non for me.
Now I finish the scampies with this.
Only Loredana.
Yes, over here.
Only
You
Loredana.
For a lot of
E
time.
poi ci sono anche le canocchie.
Have shrimp.
Very
And you-
good canocchie.
Yeah.
Non si mangia il gambero crudo, che fa
Come on, he's going to
male.
eat raw. See? Would you eat
Ma
that?
lui is
carnivore.
Orazio's eating a raw.
Carnivore.
A raw
Okay,
one.
so-
Good.
Very
Now.
carnivore man.
This goes into here a little bit. See?
Questo lo togliamo, mettiamo qua a lavare.
Just get fried a
Poi si
little
lava
bit.
tutti i giorni questo.
Okay, so this, a little bit fresh
Oil,
olive oil, okay?
betulle, pioppi e betulle oil.
Yes. A little bit like this, okay?
Yes.
Now,
That's pure bitula
put a little bit.
oil.
No?
No,
Okay. I would put vinegar, but she says no.
no vinegar,
Okay.
no.
So then, okay, look at this over here, Jim. This is just, the fish is going to be.
Questi pesci sono scorfano, gallinella, lappara e coccio. Sicilian name, the fish.
Yes.
Good, very good for soup.
Okay.
Oh, I know. Crazy. Okay, Arazzo, do you want to have a...
John, but there was a variety of fish.
I know.
Right.
Incredible.
Yeah. Wow. Did you guys take videos?
Where do you have this? Where do you have the
Cosa? Sì, no, ancora no.
the stuff we made from the Ionian Islands? What is it?
What?
Oh, the cake.
Capperi?
Capri.
Capperi. Questi sono cucunci, no capperi.
No capri?
Sì, sono capperi. Però sono cucunci. On the
Something
salt,
got
no?
to do with the flowers.
Cucunci.
After the flowers.
Yes. Perfect. Okay.
Very good cucunci.
This is very. We're doing this. Is very good. Loredan, I need a bowl. Where's that white bowl?
Ah, sì, quella là. Loredana, Giovanni fa solo bene, vedere. Gambe.
Questa è valeriana o lattughino.
Okay.
Valeriana is very good salad.
How much more, Loredan, should I do
Wonderful.
this?
It's okay.
Finish?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm putting on top. So, see now we just put. It doesn't take very long.
Sul letto di valeriana oggi stiamo calmi.
Mangiamo fuori.
I don't know.
What you don't know.
Mangiamo fuori o dentro?
Lì, outside.
If you want to, you can. I would love to eat outside, but
Very good.
Loredana maybe
Very good.
she may have a problem.
Mangiamo fuori.
Do you want to eat inside, Loredana, or outside?
I know.
So, John, this is the more of veggie sauce, onions and a little bit of chicken broth and that type of. For Orazio and me,
Yeah.
this is a hot sauce, and this is well, it's made from it's a broth made from shrimp heads. Okay.
Okay.
And
Grazie, poi io...
it's
it's
very,
got
very
heat.
simple, but it's
Lots of
all
heat.
these shrimp heads broiled down, okay? And this is Orazio, this is a shrimp broth, and you put the
I put the fish in.
yes, the fish go in here. Loredana, do you want me to serve Orazio?
No.
Okay.
I have no preference. Any fish should be okay.
Okay. Two big heads. And
Ti ha dato la testa dello scorpione.
Okay.
okay. Perfect. Do you want a few shrimp heads in there, Orazio?
Scorfa, pezzo di scorfa,
Yeah.
scorfa
Ok.
no, coccio. E questo invece è l'altro pezzo che ho preso io.
These are some shrimp heads.
Okay.
Just a few. Okay. I have lots, but okay.
Buon appetito, Jenny.
Okay.
Buon appetito.
Now for me.
The flavor, the smell, because of the ocean, the sea.
Buon appetito.
Grazie. Lui birra, io wine.
Chin chin, chin chin.
Very good fish.
Horatio won't stop even to drink beer. Amazing. But this is our last big meal.
Yep,
Fish meal.
last meal in Sicily.
Rosario, we found, yes. Okay. Not tomorrow, but Wednesday we fly home to Canada.
Ah, go to Canada.
So we're coming to say goodbye.
Ah, okay, thank you.
All right. Nay, we come back
When you come back?
end of September.
Ah, September, come back, okay. I think we stay another month here, another 1 month, no?
You can come to Canada, stay 1 month in
I
Canada.
come. My wife,
Your wife, oh, she's pregnant, no?
she's pregnant, I'm gonna post.
Oh no, she can't go.
No, I come only me, you come.
By yourself, okay.
Yes, with you.
Ciao.
Thank you, ciao Eric, ciao.